This is a new toy hauler for 2024, and it's a WFO. What does WFO mean? It means it's wide open. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Myles, and I'm excited that you're here. And if you are a returning viewer, I am here at the Hershey RV show, and I'm really excited to be here. I'm going to be filming as many RVs as I humanly possibly can during this event. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Not only that, I'm actually going straight from Pennsylvania to Indiana, which is where all these RVs are built, and I'm going to be there for 2 weeks. So I'm doing 3 straight weeks of filming all the 2024 models that I possibly can for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be a ton of exciting content coming up here real quick. Now this here is the brand new 2024 Raptor Carbon series. Now Keystone has always had this carbon lineup. Now they've kind of consolidated some of their lines for 2024. So now we're seeing things like this Raptor, which always had the little brother to which was the carbon, now having kind of the same name, but the carbon series underneath it. You'll see that for other Keystone lines as well, where there was always Keystone Alpine and Keystone Avalanche. Now there's the Keystone Alpine Avalanche edition or Avalanche series. So kind of going to see some of those different trends from Keystone for 2024. Now, I did not make up the name. This is just what I'm being told that it is. But this model here, it is a 340 WFO, and it's just wide open. So I didn't make the name. That's just what it is. But we're going to go through this thing outside then inside, and I'm going to go through this relatively quick because I am at a show, so I'm trying to get as many videos for you as possible, but make sure you get as much information as possible as well. So starting up front, you have a molded fiberglass front cap. You can see what the front cap looks like here. Definitely pretty neutral on the colors, and then they add those dashes of blue and kind of like some, you know, soft gold colors there as well. It has a nice looking molded fiberglass front cap, have a Kurt Rotaflex pin box. So this here is going to be a rubber cushion there that is going to absorb a lot of your shock as you're going up and down the road. And then much needed change. You have access from the side storage down through here. So just a big open storage compartment there. You're going to have a 30 amp solar charge controller. You're going to have some of your battery disconnect switches here as well, inverter there. And then down underneath here is your spot for your batteries. So lithium batteries will go here. And then you're going to have generator down underneath here, 5,500 watt Onan generator. Have your docking light switches here, and we're going to go around this side first actually. Have your 30-pound propane bottle. Look at the exact specs. 12,120 pounds on the unloaded vehicle weight rating, has a cargo carrying capacity of 4,640 pounds, getting you to a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,820 pounds. So that is the exact specs on this model here. Tankless on-demand water heater. This should be your water connection spot. Yeah, you have the Nautilus water management system down through here, so very clean and concise underneath there, and your auto leveling controls are in here as well. So go along this side, not many slide outs on this toy hauler actually, none on the campsite, and only 2 small slide outs on your non-campsite, so that's pretty impressive as well. As we look underneath, you are going to have a fully enclosed underbelly. All your water tanks and water lines will be protected in that enclosed underbelly. MoRide CRE 3000 suspension system. You have Trailer King tires on here. And through here, let's see if this is open. It is not, but you're going to have your gas tanks down through there as well. So you will have fuel for your generator and fuels for your toys with the gas pump there as well. As we come around this way, I'm just trying to make sure I stay out of people's way here as well. But you're going to have the patio that drops down, so it's now in the patio position. Release these cables, that's going to allow it to drop down to make into a ramp as well. It does have the patio set up around the perimeter here. And I'm going to refrain from trying to show you the inside too much. We'll wait till we step inside to look at that. You're going to have an awning that goes over that space as well. And then as we go down this side, you can see lots of windows along this side. It's only a tandem axle trailer, so not too terribly heavy or anything like that, and not too terribly long. It's not like a big 45-foot beast of a toy hauler. Now let's go inside. This model that we're looking at here does have 440 watt solar system on it. So Keystone has multiple different solar options for all their models. You have a solid entry step here as you walk inside, screen door obviously, and then their whole concept with this is just to really keep this thing as open as possible. So as you look down this space, I do not have the exact specs, but this is going to turn into a huge garage space. Tie downs all the way back to here, and something very unique. I cannot think of another open concept toy hauler that I've seen that has welded to the frame tie downs. So it doesn't have D-rings, it has welded to the frame tie downs. Much more sturdy tie down there, has a 5,000 pound pull force on that. So that's double what you get from a D-ring. So definitely very nice to have that in an option like this. And then everything in here will move out of the way. So chairs here, these are freestanding. You can put these wherever you'd like. Table here will go flat against the wall. Table there will go flat against the wall. These two sofas here can go flat against the wall or up against that bed. This goes up, up and out of the way there as well. And so this is going to open up this entire space here to load in all kinds of toys. I mean, you could probably fit like 4 to 6 four-wheelers in this space. It is absolutely huge what you will be able to do with this amount of cargo area in here. So pretty dang impressive there. We'll kind of start from the back and then work our way forward. So you have the patio off the back. You have 2 lights there. You have your awning, of course. And then as you go this way, these sofas here, they're always going to be, they call them like a Happy Jack sofa, but they'll always have this mechanism here where one way or another, they will flip forward to combine these 2 areas to become one big bed. You have the bed up over the top as well that will drop down. So that's going to be another large sleeping surface. It does have a pull down bug screen here. So this is going to be more of like your budget friendly. Ooh, how do you get this to go back up? I wonder. Okay, there we go. Pulled it down to the bottom and it popped back up. It's going to be more of your budget friendly toy hauler. It's not going to be that super expensive like $120,000 toy hauler. So definitely more budget conscious as well. But as you walk back through this way, I really like the flooring color in here. It looks really nice. It's a very like, kind of soft, non-aggressive color, and it looks good. As you look up, you're going to have your storage spaces through here and your TV. So cabinets up there. A lot of people are probably going to need a step stool to get up to those cabinets. Have your TV here. That looks like it should swivel out as well. So you have the TV. I think it's something like this. A lot of people probably are not anticipating spending a whole lot of time inside the RV watching TV and stuff like that. So I don't think it's a huge focus. You bring all your toys with you. You expect to be spending a lot of time outside, hanging out outside, things like that. Again, this sofa will go up into the wall when you need it to, and it can go flat and make into a bed as well. And then you kind of have just a table here that can be used for multiple different things if you just want to sit around it or put more chairs around it or whatever. It's just a nice to have right next to this window. Another table here, you have your 2 independent kind of like rocking recliner chairs here, so those can be moved around however you wish. And then you're going to have a good amount of kitchen countertop space in here. So pretty impressive, good amount of storage space as well. So open that up, you can see your storage through there. That's just a big open compartment. It does have your smaller size Furrion oven. Gives you big storage down underneath there. No floor vents in this toy hauler as well, so something worth noting. There's no heat vents in the floor. And open that up and you're going to have 4 drawers there. Storage underneath the sink. This is kind of actually, okay, have breakers and fuses there as well. So kind of separated out underneath there. Big stainless steel sink here. And then this is like a pressed wood countertop there, not a solid surface countertop. Helps with the weight and the price point thing as well. Have storage up through here. And then that goes all the way through, it looks like. Up above the microwave. Has the standard RV size microwave there as well. And then this just keeps on passing all the way through. So I don't know if it goes, yeah, it goes all the way back to that corner there. Oh, there we go. Okay, it cuts off right there. So you do have a cutoff spot at that point. Spot going back into the corner here with your countertop space, outlets, and USB ports, plus USB Type-C port there as well. And then little storage down through here. And then you get this really nice Everchill refrigerator. This looks like it should be a 12-volt refrigerator. Probably about 16 to 18 cubic feet or so. And then it looks like this is going to be 2 freezer portions. So you kind of have a pull-out drawer and then 2 more divided sections there for the freezer. Big storage up above this space as well. And then interesting going with the white cabinets and the gold handles. So definitely a look that you don't see too often. It's not a common look. So curious your thoughts on that. Really tall ceiling height in here. You do have an AC in the living room. It's ducted back to the back of the toy hauler portion. Speakers in the ceiling as well, so more of a surround sound system. And then as we go up these steps here, I like the way that they redesigned these steps. They look nice. Have a grab handle going up this hallway. And then into the bathroom, you have a fiberglass 1-piece shower in here. Let's see what's going on here. Have all this storage back through here. Those are going to be really deep compartments there. You can roll towels up into and things like that. And then the ceiling height, when I step in here, oh yeah, it's great. So height to here is probably about 6'4", 6'5", pretty tall. So you could be like 6'7", 6'8" and fit in here actually, pretty impressive. And this shower head is really tall. I actually don't have to duck to get underneath that. So I love that as well. And I'm 6'2", so just for my size reference, that's where I stand at. So fit in there very easily. It is a molded fiberglass shower with a seat in it as well. So you will have that seat, and then you'll have your sink here, medicine cabinet, and storage down underneath the sink. And then they add in these couple extra shelves there as well. Tankless on-demand water heater controls there on the wall in the bathroom. Love that position there where they located that. Then as we go into this bedroom, there's really one cool thing that they did in here. This looks like it's a north to south facing queen bed. They give you nice big nightstands, first of all, with wireless charging pads. But check this out. This is a slide out here, right? This is a storage compartment. And they gave you, women out there, or even men possibly, they gave you a mirror here that you can use when you're getting ready. So that is really nice. I love that. One thing, you don't have like great lighting, so it might be good to put maybe like a light somewhere in here, adding your own light or something like that. But I love that you have that mirror here in the bedroom. It's nice to just know what you look like before you step out of your bedroom, right? So love that you have that. And actually I'm going to leave that up so the other people coming in to look at this can see that. Nice good storage in the slide out as well. 2 pull-out drawers there. And then storage through here as well. You have that clothing rod and 2 drawers underneath. Big drawer there that will open up. That's very impressive. Bedside tables, lots of space there. Storage underneath here. Outlets and USB plus USB Type-C plugs there. Storage here, shelf up above there, and storage up above here as well. Have another AC here in the bedroom, so 2 ACs in total. Spot for a TV on the wall. You could definitely put a nice large TV on that wall there. No carpet here in the bedroom, so it's all carpetless except for just that one little lip there along the wall there. And then storage down underneath here, plus you get an additional table down underneath here as well, and that goes all the way up to the front cap. So that is this new Raptor Carbon series, and they have other Raptor Carbons that they're making as well that I'll try to get as many filmed as I can. They have a good push on bumper pull toy haulers that they have down this aisle also. So that looks like a fifth wheel, but that, believe it or not, is a bumper pull or travel trailer toy hauler. And they have some new Raptor stuff as well. So lots of exciting things happening, but this is the Raptor Carbon Series 340. It is a WFO. So kind of interesting how they branded that there and pretty fun. But let me know what you think. That's all I got for y'all. Make sure you go check out my Firmly Unbound YouTube channel as well. You'll want to go subscribe to that because I don't have any videos posted yet, but they are coming. And I'm really excited for what I'm going to be doing over there. It's going to be something a little bit different. It's definitely not going to be RV tours, but something I've been really excited about that I'll talk about more in the future. And then videos are going to be coming. So go check that out. The description, or the link is down below in the description of this video. And you can go subscribe to that channel there. And then that's all I got for y'all. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. And until next time, live firmly unbound.